What's up, everybody? Jimmy Wheels. I got my buddy's Magician here. I thought I'd do a side-by-side comparison on my Hawk and the Magician. They're both China bikes, right around the same price. Yeah, I will tell you what I like and what I don't like. Let's go check it out. So, here's my Hawk. I've made some mods on it. Sprocket changes, new air filter. Yeah, this is the Magician. And this bike, I don't know, it's just not my style. It's a little quicker than the Hawk because it's lighter, probably about 80 pounds lighter or so. It has the same exact engine, same exact exhaust. He's got the 50/50s on the front and the back. Brake system is rubber lined, runs into this reservoir right here, which is, what does that say? Use .4 only. I thought that was transmission fluid. I don't even know why that's a thing. The carburetor on this bike is not easy to get to. It's buried behind the frame. The idle screw is way inside there. Can you see that? I had to drill that out because it wasn't lined up at all. The hole that they pre-drilled was not lined up. I had to drill it out in order to get a star bit in there. And yeah, valve lash isn't easy. You gotta take this plastic off, you gotta wiggle this out, and it really doesn't want to come out. It's a super tight fit. His pegs are very, very basic. I mean, I don't know. This is not my style of bike. He's got snail cams in the back. I'd rather have adjusting nuts like on mine. He's not much of a rider. I mean, he rides the streets a little bit, but he's only gone 73 miles. And he's had this bike about a month longer than I've had mine. Mine I run every day. I'm always doing something. I'm on a trail somewhere. There are a lot of trails out here in western New York. Yeah, a lot of seasonal roads I can go down and rip it up, or feel like I'm ripping it up anyway. Me, I got the 110 100s on the back and the 80 100s on the front, so I can handle pretty much any trail as long as it's not uphill a whole lot. Yeah, this bike doesn't like to go uphill that much. I got the Nibby cone running off my cob. I just had to modify this plastic right here. Had to cut that out. That was nothing. My idle screw was right there. Super simple to get to. Like I said, the engines are exactly the same. I made mine look like a Yamaha, right? Because who wants to say they ride a Hawk 250? That's about as strong as I don't know, a mini bike, basically. It will do like 50 miles an hour. Yeah, but it's screaming at 50. It needs another gear or another cylinder. Yeah, it's screaming at 50 miles an hour. So it's nice for riding around town, light trails, like I said. He's got half of his dash is a digital dash. He's got the gas light. He's got what gear he's in, his blinkers, and the speedo. His blinkers are, I don't know, they just look retro to me. I don't know. I had a Yamaha Virago, and these indicators remind me of that. 1984 Yamaha Virago. Even the back is those retro lights. Yep. Where on the Hawk, you got these where they flex in case you hit anything while you're blasting down a trail. Same as the front. Yeah, they flex, which is a nice little option. Seat height is about 3 inches higher than the Magician. This one, when I sit on it, I am flat-footed and my knees are bent, and I'm about, I don't know, 5'9", 5'10". And when I'm on my Hawk, I am on my tippy toes. Yeah, I would much rather go for the Hawk. If you're experienced at all, I wouldn't even bother with this bike. I would go for this one, the Hawk 250. It's affordable, it's on Amazon, and it's easy to work on. So there's my comparison, guys. Let me know what you think. You have any likes, have any dislikes, any comments? I love it all. Happy riding, everybody.